Now I'm going to enter in this customer. I'm going to replace the camera that was working bad. Okay, as you can see, here we have the old camera. Comes with this power connector, as you can see. But the video is the same one for all of them. It doesn't matter what you're going to replace. It's the same. The power might be different. So as you can see, we are here in this business. Over there we have another camera. So here we have the BNC, it's the same, and here is different. So what we have to do is just remove those screws. I have done that already. The only thing that you have to do is power it up and power down. So turn off the power. That is what I recommend before connecting this, because this is a different camera and the connector is different. So what I have to do is just unscrew these screws a little bit, put the cable over there, and that's it. So it should be very easy. I'm going to do that. Okay, just to put this everything back, as you can see, we just put it like that and screw it, and that's it.
Gabriel fixed our register 2 camera. It was all fuzzy and now it's perfectly clear and everything is great.